Hello guys, welcome back to Code and Test. So today's topic is all about cloud certifications. If you have knowledge in cloud computing, to enhance your skill, you might be doubtful about which certification I need to take to enhance my cloud skills. So in this video, I'll be giving a brief description about different cloud certifications we have so that you can decide which certification I need to take. So the first certification is like a AWS from Amazon, and the second certification is Microsoft Azure, and third is Google GCP. And we have few more cloud certification from Salesforce and few from IBM and other market leaders. So I strongly recommend AWS, Azure, Google, or Salesforce. Okay, moving to the certifications. The first we are going to check about Azure certifications. This is a Azure Certification Roadmap. So Azure Certification Roadmap has been split up into four, that is fundamental, associate, expert, specialty, and other certifications. Okay, so Azure Fundamentals is AZ 900, and if you are going for associate certification, it has been split across like administration, data scientist, developer, data engineer, AI engineer, security based exams. And if you're going for the expert level, that is like architect exams, that is solution architect and DevOps engineer experts. So these are the three different categories, and one more category for Azure certification is specialty, that is SAP, and for IoT, internet on things. So there are a number of certifications inside each items. So imagine if you are taking as a data engineer, you have to complete DP 200 and 201. Now it has been changed and it has been consolidated as a single certification. It's called as 203. So there will be some upgradation in the certification from the Microsoft side. So this is the number of certifications which is available from Azure. So I hope you got a better understanding about which certification you need to take according to your the work you do in the cloud. So okay, so as of now I have completed Azure fundamentals exams, and I have provided the terms over there to, for you can refer that and you can clear the Azure exams as well. So I have cleared few number of exams from Azure as well. So if you need, I can give you the terms for the particular exams as well. So moving to the next certifications, that is from Amazon, AWS. So here also we have these different categories of certifications like professional, associate, and foundational. If you are going for a foundational level exam, you at least you need some 6 months of experience in AWS. So as a beginner, you can start with the foundational. So once after you have a better understanding about AWS and the architecture, all those things, you can move to the associate level exams. Then finally you can end for the professional exams. So here the cloud practitioner exam is a foundational one. Then architect, operations, developer, and DevOps engineer are the different exams we have. The same way as we have in Azure, here also we have a specialty level exams, that is for advanced networking, security, machine learning, Alexa skill builder, data analytics, and database. So I hope you got a better idea about what are the different certifications which is available in Amazon Web Service. So here, if you see that Microsoft, the total average cost of one exam is almost 4,000 rupees, 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. So here as well, you can take this similar kind of exam from Amazon. Okay. So moving to the next Google one. So Google also we have specialized, architect, and foundational. These three categories of certifications we have. If you are in a foundation level, you can go for cloud engineer or G Suite exams. Then if you are in an architect level, go for the cloud architect. And if you need to specialize anything in Google, you can go for data engineer, cloud network engineer, cloud developer, and cloud security engineer. So these are the categories of exams we have for GCP. So out of this Azure, Amazon, and Google, which one to choose? That is a challenging question. So this slide explains the total cloud which is has been occupied in the world. Okay, so as of now, the 32 percentage of the entire world cloud has been occupied with AWS, and 19 percentage has been occupied with Microsoft Azure, and only 7 percentage from Google. And there are 42 percentage others that can be considered as Salesforce, IBM Cloud, and other providers. So you can decide which certification I need to take. Okay, so the market leaders are Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. So I strongly recommend to go with AWS or Microsoft Azure. So I hope you got a better idea about all the cloud certifications. Okay, so these are some examples for which in which these are the products from each cloud provider. So Netflix, you know all this all about Netflix, right? So Netflix is running on top of Amazon Web Service. The same way Airbnb, then Pinterest is running on top of Amazon Web Service. So if you see the Azure, the Ford, and NBC, all these are running on top of Azure. If you, these are the like a famous brands or which has been running on top of the cloud service. If you see the Google Cloud Platform, Wix is one of the example. So I hope you got some examples as well over here, and you have some better understanding like which certification you have to take, either Azure or Amazon Web Service or Google Cloud. So you can decide which certification you need to take according to your skill set and your aspirations. Okay, so again, so which certification I have to take? Okay, there will be some questions like, okay, even I have selected one of the exam from Microsoft Azure. Okay, how to clear that? I have to study so much and you have to refer so much materials from Microsoft and how to clear that. Okay, I can help you with that. If you have selected any of the exam, put it in a comment box like which exam you are going to take. I will provide the terms for you, and you can learn with my terms and you can practice the exam before you take the actual exam. I'm 100% sure that you will be clearing the exam in the first shot. So please subscribe my channel for my more videos, and if you have decided which exam you're going to take, please put a comment in my comment box. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you got a better understanding of about different cloud certifications we have in the market. So I hope you will select the good one and improve your career as well. So happy learning, guys. Oh, thank you so much. Bye bye.